Thousands of businesses open every year, but why do so many entrepreneurs choose franchise starting from scratch? Here's how the franchise business model generates millions of dollars across the globe. The world's most successful business expansion models, spanning restaurants, hotels, fitness centers, retail stores, healthcare, education, and many other industries.
A franchise allows an independent business owner to operate under an established brand while following the company's operating system and standards.
The business owner is called the franchisee, while the company that owns the brand is known as the franchisor. Most franchisees pay an initial franchise fee for the right to operate using the company's brand, trademarks, and business model. Many franchise systems also collect ongoing royalty fees, often calculated as a percentage of sales or based on other contractual terms.
Many franchisors also require contributions toward national or regional advertising funds that promote the entire brand.
One of the biggest advantages is instant brand recognition, reducing the challenge of building customer trust from zero. Franchise companies usually provide comprehensive training covering operations, customer service, marketing, and quality standards. Standardized procedures help deliver consistent customer experiences across thousands of locations. Many franchise systems negotiate large-scale purchasing agreements that help franchisees access products at competitive prices. Centralized supply chains improve inventory consistency, product quality, and operational efficiency. Technology platforms help monitor inventory, sales performance, staffing, customer feedback, and financial reporting. Many franchisors provide ongoing operational support and regular business evaluations to help maintain brand standards.
Location selection is often supported by market research, demographic analysis, traffic studies, and local demand forecasts.
Many franchise companies assist with restaurant design, store layout, equipment selection, and launch planning. Franchising extends beyond fast food to hotels, automotive services, education, fitness, healthcare, convenience stores, and professional services.
For franchisors, revenue may come from franchise fees, royalties, product sales, licensing, and other contractual arrangements, depending on the business model.
Franchisees, however, are responsible for managing operating expenses, staffing, local marketing, and overall business performance.
While established brands can reduce certain startup risks, success is never guaranteed and depends on effective management, location, market conditions, and execution.
In many countries, prospective franchisees receive disclosure documents outlining fees, obligations, risks, and financial information before signing agreements.
Successful franchise systems can expand internationally while maintaining consistent operating standards.
Artificial intelligence and data analytics are increasingly helping franchises improve forecasting, customer engagement, and operational efficiency. Digital ordering, loyalty programs, and delivery platforms have become important drivers of franchise growth. Many franchise brands are also investing in sustainable packaging, energy efficiency, and environmentally responsible operations. Strong brand recognition often helps franchise businesses attract customers more quickly than completely new brands.
Future franchise growth will likely be shaped by automation, artificial intelligence, digital commerce, and evolving consumer expectations.
The franchise model continues helping businesses expand while giving entrepreneurs access to proven operating systems. When executed effectively, franchising can create value for both franchisors and franchisees through shared goals and standardized operations. From restaurants to hotels and retail stores, franchising remains one of the most influential business models in the modern economy. If you could own one franchise, which would you choose? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this documentary, like this video and subscribe to Money Minted for more business, technology, and investment stories.